Okay, let's do this.
We're going to do maintenance of the narwhal. So first of all, this is the used water, this is the clean water. Take out the used. I've actually already done this, but normally this is full of dark, dirty water. That I would take outside and empty. I've already done that. Give it a rinse. And I usually leave it to dry. And fill up the clean water. Just to the maximum level, but I will also add some cleaning solution. Usually 2 cupfuls is enough. You're going to have to buy some more.
Yeah, is that going to be easy?
I might do that today actually. Just in case it takes a little while. So I'll leave that out. Pop that back. Next, it's maintenance of the robot. It says open. You take that off. Your fingers in and pull the purple. It's a bit hard to get out. There we go.
That's the air filter, is it?
Yes, and the rubbish. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So if you tip it up, this is the rubbish bin. Pull that out. That goes in.
Oh, yeah. Guys, fair bit.
Okay. And then,
That's every clean, you reckon? Every
no,
clean you do it?
No, every second.
Yep.
And the air filter. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. There we go. Then you clean that with warm water.
And then you've got a spare one with the machine.
Yeah. This takes about a day to dry. So you clean it.
You could put it out in the sun.
I guess.
But yeah, I guess you don't want it degrading.
No. It's not that dirty actually. So there's that. Give the little pot a wipe. Okay, and I just let that air dry. And I'll get the dry rubbish bin and filter to go back
Oh,
in.
yep. Yeah, it's a good idea. That's a good routine, really, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's there ready to go.
Yep.
Give this a little wash. And then just leave that one with the filter to dry. So next, turn it over. The brush. So take the cover off the brush. Then the brush slips out.
How did you take that out? You just pulled
pulled
it out.
it.
Pulled it to the
Yeah,
left.
that's right.
Yep.
It's quite easy.
Yep.
So then this, you just wipe it clean. Both of them, you just wipe clean.
Just with a damp cloth.
Yeah. It's just a little bit dusty, but it's not too bad.
Does it get clogged with hair at all?
No, these don't. Doesn't seem to. It's more the wheels do.
Oh, yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's that. So I just leave that to air dry.
Yep.
With everything else. And this one as well. Just give that a little. Then it's on to the mop. Oh, actually, just the little, where that fits in. Just give that a bit of a wipe. So the mop, the purple things push in.
Press both purple
Yes.
spots.
And it lifts up.
Yeah.
There we go. So that slips in just in here. So you lift it up and
Yep.
pull it off
Yeah.
or out. So we do need to get a, we don't have one at the moment. You could just take the mop off, pop the new one on.
Yeah.
This is all a little bit wet.
So we need to get a new mop.
Yeah. So just give that a bit of a...
Have you looked on the website for that?
The Black Friday sales said that they'd sold out and I haven't gone back on yet.
Oh, yeah.
So that's that.
This would be what works the hardest though, wouldn't it, really?
Yeah. And then you also take off the black. It's got two areas to push your nails, push down. And then this here can get dusty.
Oh, yep.
So you do only need to wipe it, but I think I might actually wash that with clean water today. It doesn't get really dirty, it just gets a few little odds and ends in there.
Yeah.
So. That's that. And I'll just leave that to air dry. That should all be done within the hour dry. So then So the brushes, I'll give them a little wash.
Yep. Do they get much? They get a bit in them? What, hair?
No, not hair, just a little bit dusty. So you just give them a wipe like that.
Oh, yeah.
That one. They're all right. And then this comes out.
Just
like
pull
that.
straight
Yep.
up.
Then the wheel comes out.
Oh, God.
So usually this is what can collect the hair.
Oh, yeah. Just pop the wheel out.
Yeah. But that's all clean.
It's pretty, I guess, because we're using it a bit more.
Yeah, there's not as much.
Yeah, but that first initial clean would have, like the first, probably, we didn't really do this for the first few, did we?
No. So I'll just leave that there to dry.
Yep.
Now the wheels, just make sure they're clean. That one. That one. So then I turn it over and just with a dry towel, just
Oh, yep.
the camera, any sensors really. There's one there, give that a bit of a wipe. The battery sensors there, and like yeah, just give it and that's it, other than waiting for everything to dry and replacing it.
Excellent, thanks.